Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Muskmelons are one of the best summer fruits that we get, and they are as good as watermelons because of its water content and also its body cooling properties. As we all know, making muskmelon juice is pretty simple and straightforward, but to make this fruit more interesting, I'm going to make a special falooda today. So let's get started and check out this delectable muskmelon falooda. For the falooda, first I'm going to soak some sabja seeds, that is the basil seeds. To a cup, add 1 teaspoon of basil seeds. Pour enough water and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now if you don't have sabja seeds, you can also use chia seeds instead. For this recipe, I've taken 1 large muskmelon, cut it into half. First, remove off all the seeds. Depending on the quantity of juice you would like to make, you can use 1 or 2 melons. Remove the skin. Chop it into pieces and keep this aside. Just make sure the melons are nice and ripe. A good indication that the melons are ripe is to see when you smell them a very sweet and pleasant fragrance of the muskmelon. So that's a nice indication that the melon is ripe. Transfer the chopped muskmelon to the mixer jar. Add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now this is optional. Next, add a few cubes of ice and grind everything to a nice fine puree. Now you can see the muskmelon juice is done. Keep this aside. So now you can see the basil seeds, that is the sabja seeds, have soaked up all that water and they're nice and plump. So I have some cooked save, that is the vermicelli, for the falooda. Let's start assembling the drink. To a nice tall glass, add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the sabja seeds. Next, add 2 teaspoons of the save, that is the vermicelli. Pour the prepared muskmelon juice. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Garnish it with some chopped nuts. I'm using pistachios and almonds. You can garnish it with any nuts of your choice. So assemble another tall glass in the same manner. So you can see it's a very simple and refreshing drink that you can enjoy for the summers. Again, I've used vanilla ice cream, but you can use any ice cream of your choice to make this simple yet refreshing falooda. Instead of having the plain muskmelon juice, this is something that you can try at home and you can enjoy it. I'll give you a couple of links for the other falooda recipes in the description. You can check them out as well. If you're a fan or not, you must try this muskmelon falooda, and it's great for summers, and if you have kids at home, they are absolutely going to love this. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.